Follow these easy steps to ferment your very own bottles of Kefir in the Trillions in the comfort of your own home. Here's what you'll need. Your 2-ounce vials of Kefir in the Trillions starters, a bottle or two of natural fruit juice. We prefer organic juice, not from concentrate. There needs to be at least 9 grams of sugar in it for the fermentation process to work. Swing top bottles. We have 16 and 32-ounce bottles available for purchase on our website. And a funnel. First, let's do the 16-ounce Kefir bottle. Take your funnel and place it in the bottle opening. For the 16-ounce bottle, you'll pour in 1 2-ounce Kefir starter. Next, pour in your juice until it reaches the bottom of the bottleneck. And then close your bottle. For the 32-ounce bottle, you'll do the same thing, but this time, use 2 of the 2-ounce Kefir starters. Leave your bottles on the counter and let the fermentation begin. You will need to burp your Kefir bottles every day. The first day should be bubble-free as the fermentation process is just now beginning. Make sure not to shake your Kefir. You may start to see more fermentation and bubbles when you get to this point, so it's always a good idea to have a towel handy. This product is alive, and there isn't a one-size-fits-all time frame for the fermentation process to complete. Factors such as the temperature of your home, the shipping time of your Kefir, the juice you're using, and more can all contribute to the amount of time it takes for your Kefir to ferment. But it generally takes 3 to 8 days. If your Kefir takes a little bit longer or is done quicker, that's okay too. Just keep checking on it and burping it until it's well carbonated and tangy. Once your Kefir reaches this point, you can enjoy a drink full of trillions of probiotics to support a healthy gut microbiome. Store your Kefir in the fridge. The fridge will slow down the fermentation, but you'll need to keep burping it every day. Consume within 3 to 4 weeks and enjoy.